Hello all and welcome back to my channel. So in this video and the playlist, the series of the interview preparation for the Agile Project Management, and this is the last video from that series where we are ending with our question and answers. Of course, we just be with me because we are going to start the scenario based question series in next upcoming videos and the days, right? So just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the prompt notification whenever I release my videos. And if you would like to join my community, you can go ahead and purchase my course, which is putting in the description section so that you can get the personalized coaching mentoring from my end. Okay, the other videos you can go ahead with these series, and if you want any particular covering the topics, you can go ahead at the other playlist where I have covered each topic in details. So let's go ahead and see the next questions which is coming in this video. What is horizontal and vertical slicing in the migration scrum project? This question might be asked by interviewer when they are going to actually migrate their projects from the Kanban or any other agile project like XP or something to the Scrum, and they are looking for the candidate who knows about the slicing and migrations of the projects. Okay, so that time that interviewer will ask you these questions only. So, what is horizontal and vertical slicing? These are the techniques used in software development to break down work into smaller, more manageable parts. The best technique to use depends on the project needs, and both can be useful in different situations. We are not going to use both, right? We can use one of the from vertical or the horizontal. So let's go ahead and see what is vertical slicing. This technique is recommended when it's important to deliver a key functionality early or when user feedback is critical. It can help improve the Scrum workflow by making stories easier to understand, estimate, and less risky. Vertical slices are often used for the user stories and can include changes to multiple architectural layers such as UI design, business logic, and the databases. Got it? Then, what is horizontal slicing then? This technique is recommended when it's important to establish a robust infrastructure and reusable components. Horizontal slicing breaks down the features or the functions into layers and must be combined with the changes in other layers to provide the value to the users. Got it? The both techniques can help the Scrum teams deliver the value quickly and reduce the risk as well by breaking down the work into smaller pieces, parts. Got the difference? Yeah. So let's go ahead and see the next question. What is release note and who prepare it? Development team is going to prepare the release note. What is the release note is having? They offer the insights into the specific changes, including new features, bug fixing, enhancement, potential impacts on the user experiences. Okay, that they are going to write it down in the release notes. Okay, so it's providing the technical details and the context for the release notes. Then who will write the user acceptance testing? UAT is a way to determine if the software meets the needs of your business or not. So this testing type of testing, the actual users or the product owner carries out the software test. Okay, yeah. Then the next question is related to third party vendor management and this stakeholder management. You have to know about this theoretically. Okay, because these are the roles and responsibility is basically from the delivery manager or the project manager or scrum master. Okay, so the vendor management is more than just doing the due diligence to the select the right third party suppliers and vendors for your business. The besides selecting vendors and negotiating contracts, appropriate management includes the cost control, reducing security risk, and ensuring the service delivery. This responsibility is from delivery manager. The next one is the stakeholder management. What is stakeholder management? This responsibility is taken care of by the project manager, or the scrum master. In Scrum, stakeholder is anyone with a vested interest in the product who is not part of the Scrum team. As a product owner, you can think of stakeholders as anyone with an interest in or an influence to that product. Okay, these are the people who will help you discover, develop, release, support, and promote the product. Okay, so this is all about the series of the project management with the agile. Okay, so these are the basic questions you will get it in the interviews, any interviews related to agile project development. Okay, and other than that, you are not going to face any questions at my bed. And in other series, next series which is coming up, which is related to scenario based questions, you can go ahead and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification as soon as possible. Okay, and just like my video if you would like, and just put the comments if you are having any doubts or any questions, concerns. I would like to resolve as soon as possible. Thank you and be with me. Hello, hello.